Okay, so I am super hopeful for this nail system. I really am. I know that they're already cheap. I think I got them for like $8.99, but are they as fast and easy as I hope? And do they last a decent amount of time? We're gonna find out in this video because I'm gonna be trying the Kiss Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Gel Nails. They're basically like a press-on nail from back in the day, but more upgraded, more beautiful in my opinion. I'm not going to be using this mega adhesive tab thingies that they come with, you know, little glue stickers. I'm not going to do that because that never lasts long enough. I'm not even going to be using the glue that's included. I actually picked up from Kiss as well the Power Flex nail glue because I usually like their nail glues. Haven't used this particular one, but hopefully it goes well. We're going to be prepping the nails. We're going to be doing all those things that I would normally do when I do a full cover nail. I'm just reducing my steps because I don't have the time for all these steps anymore. I got a newborn, she's 2 months old now, and I'm on a time crunch all the time, as I'm sure so many of you guys are on a time crunch for one reason or another, and we don't always have time to spend 2 to 3 hours doing our nails. I love the look of them though, and I'm bored with my paws, so I need to find a system that's fast, quick, and easy. And if it's cheap, that's great, which this is. So we're gonna be doing that in this video. By the way, if you are new to my channel and my face, my name is Ashley Ellix, and I would love it so much if you would consider subscribing at any point in time in this video, but you might as well do it right now if you like what you see so far, because I'll get lost in YouTube sauce otherwise, and you're gonna wanna see more videos from me, right? Maybe. Okay, let's jump into it. If that all sounds good and dandy to you, then you know what to do. Sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching, boo. Boop. Okay, I'm gonna be cutting to just my hands in just a minute so you can see me applying everything, but just a couple little things. I went to Target and they had a huge selection of these Kiss nails to choose from. I'm not sure all the different types. I picked the Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Gel, like I said. I also got the size medium. I feel like medium should be a good length for me. I mean, you know me, I love my long nails, but with the baby, I'm afraid of poking her, so I want to keep them on the shorter side, but they also have short if you're looking for like completely short. I usually have about a medium natural length. You know, with my hormones and stuff, they all kind of are short right now, so I'm gonna go with a medium. I know I can handle that. This is the set that I picked out, which I think is beautiful. I think it was $8.99, which is a great deal. Comes with 24 nails, so that should be enough to make sure that I have the right sizes. Be wary, be cautious of the nail systems, the glue-on nails that are already done that only have, oh, hi kitty, you're gonna join us, that only have, you know, 10 nails or 12, you know, just only give you a couple extra because those ones are gonna be hard to size. You can file them usually, but it's gonna be so much harder. So, all right, now this should be all you need to do these nails. So of course I have the nails that I picked out, the glue we talked about. I have some cotton squares or, you know, cotton rounds, whatever. 2 different nail files. One is to remove the shine on the nail, and one is for shaping these nails if needed. I don't know if I need to yet, but just in case. And then some rubbing alcohol. So to start off, I already trimmed my nails down to my liking, and I'm going to take this little buffer. It's a very squishy, flat, gentle file, and I'm just going to be removing the shine on all my natural nails. All these steps are what I normally do for a full cover nail. I'm just basically not having to color the gels. They're already all done, and hopefully they fit my fingers really well. All right, super simple. And now we're gonna grab our rubbing alcohol and the cotton squares that I have, and I'm going to take that rubbing alcohol and just rub all that debris off. This basically cleans the nail and removes any kind of oil to help the glue to adhere a little bit better on your nails. But you don't want to be aggressive. There's no need for that. You're just adding a little bit of texture basically to the nails. Make it nice and grippy. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna slide out the gel nails from this little container. Let's take a look at everything. Oh yeah, I'm glad I bought my own glue because this is like a weird dropper. It looks like a one-time use thing. I was hoping I could, I mean, this could be in like my purse for emergencies, but then I have to throw it away or else it might spill everywhere. I don't know. So yeah, I like this idea better. Anyways, let me go ahead and find the correct sizes for myself on these, and hopefully that works out really good. So you have the display nails in there that you can use, and then all the extras are right underneath. Oh, cool. There's a little size chart in here with a nail file. I should have opened this before. With a cuticle pusher and a nail file. Actually, that reminds me, I need to push my cuticles back as well. So let me do that really quickly, and then we'll size up. So I'll just go through and size them up. I can tell that that's too big because I can feel it all over my skin. Okay, I went through and sorted them all and fit them all to my nails. I still have a lot left, but they won't be able to reuse them because these ones are the ones that fit perfectly. Now I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that these fit the base of my nail because a couple of them feel like they're touching on the skin. So I'm just taking that file, the more gritty one. This is a 180 and 100 grit, and I'm just rounding out the base a tiny, tiny bit and then checking to fit. Yeah, that's perfect. That feels much better. So I'm gonna go through really quickly. Okay, so the box just says to apply to the artificial nail and the natural nail some glue. So let's do that. Starting with let's start with the pinky because I think it'll be easier to work from the pinky to the thumb since I mostly use these pinchers. So let's just do the base right here. Okay, and then onto the natural nail. Take that. Put that on, push it back up to the cuticle, but make sure not to go on top of the cuticle or else it'll definitely snag. And then it says to just press down firmly. But when you do that, make sure that you're not getting any glue on yourself because that's the tricky part. And same thing with these matte nails. If you get any sets with these matte nails, try not to get glue on the nail or else you can see the little glue marks on there, which I'm pretty sure I already did, but no big deal. Okay. That feels pretty good and on there. Definitely, yeah, feels really secure. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna be going back and forth between the two sides. I think it's easier to work that way. And then you guys can listen to some tunes or something while I do this really quick and I'll see how it goes. That was my thumbnail. Whoops-a-daisy. Let me go get the right one. I was like, why doesn't it fit? Anyways. Much better. These are going on so incredibly fast, you guys. It is insane. Okay, let's do this last nail together now that I've pretty much gotten the hang of it. So I'm just putting it not on the full nail underneath, but just where my natural nail was. And then onto my natural nail. It's a balance of making sure you use enough, but not too much that it like spreads onto your skin. So kind of takes some practice and then also don't get it on your cuticle. And then I just grab it and that gets nice and tacky. And I don't just plop it on. I kind of I'm hovering over the nail and then I push it back. Like kind of not pushing the cuticle, but stopping just before. And then make sure to press it on. And I'm also pressing kind of all around to make sure that there's no air bubbles or anything. And that seems to be working pretty well. Wow. Okay, that was like the fastest thing ever. How do they look? How do they look? They feel fantastic. Let me just tell you. Seriously, so fast. I looked at my footage. That took less than 10 minutes to film it. So easily that would be a 5-minute nail if I wasn't talking and walking through all the steps and everything. That is so cool. But a couple little things I wanted to mention. I did put cuticle oil on just like I normally would after to kind of help hydrate the nail beds and everything. And another thing was I did file the actual edge of the artificial nail because I think in manufacturing it kind of makes some like little snags and stuff and it didn't feel really nice. So I just took my file really quickly, the same one I was using to file the base and filed the free edge just to make it more smooth and not snag and scratch my skin. So that's a little tip there. The only little flaw that I'm seeing right now is I just have 1 or 2 nails that I can kind of see the natural nail a little bit due to the fitting, but those were the nails that fit the best. So I think what I would do, like for this one, would be a larger size and just file it down a little bit more, but that's no big deal. That was seriously so fast. If you're looking for some beautiful nails that you can do while your baby naps like I did, or if you're always chasing after your toddlers and you don't have time for your nail polish to dry, or if you want to do a 5-minute nail on your lunch break at work, these seem like a really, really good option. They were so fast. I'm so like mind blown. Oh my goodness. If you guys want me to update you on how I liked these after I've worn them for however long they'll last on me, I'm hoping at least 1 week, 2 weeks would be awesome. I'm gonna keep my nail glue with me just in case 1 or 2 pop off, because that happens when I do my full cover nails with the gel system and everything. But this is so fast. I want to buy like all the colors now, and I love this medium length. I love it. Ooh, it's like the perfect length in my opinion for me with the new baby and everything, and I feel comfortable and natural, but just like more glam. So I'll be talking with my hands more again. Okay, thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on future videos. And like I said, comment if you want to see an update on this. Whoa, my cat just ran to the window. But anyways, you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all those other places. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!